a city famous for its glittering skyline, ultra-modern architecture, and rapid transformation from desert to global powerhouse. But beneath all the glamour lies a lesser-known marvel, a silent, fully automated metro system that's become the backbone of the city's daily life. This is the Dubai Metro. Sleek, efficient, whisper quiet, and completely driverless. When most people think of public transit, they imagine crowds, noise, and long waits. But Dubai aimed to change that. When the metro launched in 2009, it wasn't just the first of its kind in the region, it was a statement. A symbol of the city's ambition to create the most advanced infrastructure in the world. So how did Dubai build one of the most efficient and silent metro systems on the planet? Let's step inside. The Dubai Metro began as a vision to reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon emissions, and connect key parts of the city. With a rapidly growing population and more cars hitting the roads each year, something had to be done. And instead of following the typical path, Dubai took a bold leap. They would build an entirely automated metro network with precision engineering and futuristic design. Construction began in 2006. Just 3 years later, the Red Line opened, a 52-kilometer stretch running parallel to Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai's busiest highway. It was the longest fully automated driverless metro line in the world at the time. Soon after, the Green Line followed, covering areas like Dera and Bur Dubai, the historical heart of the city. But the story of the Dubai Metro isn't just about length. It's about silence. Thanks to advanced technology, the metro glides along elevated tracks and through underground tunnels with minimal noise. No rumbling engines, no screeching brakes, just a smooth, calm ride from station to station. This quiet efficiency is the result of cutting-edge design. The metro uses rubber-tired rolling stock manufactured by Kinki Sharyo of Japan, specifically customized for Dubai's hot desert climate. These trains are built to run almost silently and require less maintenance compared to traditional steel-wheeled systems. Inside, the trains are spotless, air-conditioned, monitored by CCTV, and divided into multiple classes, including a gold-class carriage for premium passengers, a women and children-only carriage, and standard cabins for the general public. There are no drivers. Everything is operated from a central control room using a highly sophisticated automatic train control system. This allows for precise timing, shorter intervals between trains, and zero human error. The system is so efficient that delays of even a few minutes make headlines in the local press. But the silence of the Dubai Metro isn't just a technical achievement, it's also part of a broader cultural vision. In a city known for luxury and order, the metro reflects Dubai's commitment to creating a calm, safe, and pleasant environment, even underground. It's not just quiet, it's immaculately clean. Eating and drinking are banned inside the trains and stations, and strict fines are in place to enforce the rules. And then there are the stations themselves. Far from being just functional spaces, many stations are architectural works of art. With futuristic design, Islamic motifs, and large open halls, each station reflects the city's blend of tradition and modernity. Many are integrated directly into malls, office buildings, and residential complexes. So what's the impact of this silent metro? For one, it's helped take thousands of cars off the road. With millions of passengers each month, it's reduced traffic congestion and pollution while providing a fast and reliable option for commuters. It also plays a key role during major events like New Year's Eve at the Burj Khalifa or Expo 2020, handling massive crowds with smooth precision. And it's still growing. In recent years, the Red Line was extended to include Route 2020, a new 15-kilometer stretch serving the Expo site and surrounding neighborhoods. Plans are already in place for more expansions as the city continues to grow toward its 2040 urban master plan. So what can other cities learn from Dubai? That building a successful transit system isn't just about moving people from point A to B. It's about creating an experience, a space that people actually want to use, a system that reflects the values of the city itself, in this case, efficiency, cleanliness, calm, and innovation. In a world where cities struggle with noisy, outdated transport, Dubai offers an alternative, a silent metro system that works and works beautifully. It's fast, it's smart, and it barely makes a sound. Welcome to the future of public transit. Welcome to the Dubai Metro. Thanks for watching. Have you ever been in a Dubai Metro?